Hello everyone, this is a session number 3 of lesson number 1. In session 2 we'll learn about different memory units and primary storages, RAM and ROM. Now in this session we are going to learn about the secondary storages or permanent storages or non-volatile storages. Means we are going to talk about the storages which are used to store data permanently for a long time. Okay, so first secondary storage, that is hard disk. Actually it is a internal secondary storage that is connected to motherboard, and it is a part of water memory unit. Why? Because it is able to store or it can store water huge amount of data or more data. Okay, and for that it uses water circular shiny plates which are present inside what this case, okay, or inside what this jacket. Okay, so this secondary storage is used to store water more data, and it's store permanently. That means whenever you will retrieve that data back, you will see it will allow you to retrieve that data back. Okay, and there are two types of water internal hard disk drives. First one serial access, and second one that is parallel access. So what these are the types of internal hard disk drives. Okay, now this after the next one is a CD and DVD. So what is CD and DVD? Actually these are what secondary storages or permanent storages or non-volatile storages. Means here you can store data permanently. Okay, and you can see CD and DVD, these are in circular shape. So let's see first what is CD. CD stands for a compact disc. Okay, and nowadays instead of CD, DVD is used mostly. Okay, why? Because CD is able to store up to 700 MB. What about DVD? DVD can store 6.5 times more data than what a CD, that means near 4.7 GB. Okay, and it is able to store up to 9.4 GB. Okay, and what about DVD? DVD stands for a digital versatile disc. This is a rectangle. This is a circular disc. Okay, and to read or to write data from CD or DVD, we use the water DVD-ROM or CD-ROM. To read data from CD, we use the CD-ROM. What about DVD? We use the DVD-ROM or DVD writer. Okay, you can read and write data to CD and from DVD or from CD. Okay, now this after next one, that is a pen drive. Pen drive, it is another secondary storage device or permanent storage device, and sometimes it is called what a USB drive. Why it is called USB drive? Because we use or we connect what a pen drive to USB port, and that's in a rectangular form. You can see here in picture. And what is the full form of USB? USB stands for Universal Service Bus. Okay, because of this it is called what a USB drive or pen drive. Okay, and this type of secondary storage device or permanent storage device is used to carry data anywhere. Okay, and it is available with different sizes: 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and different brands are there in market. Okay, then the next one, that is the memory card. We all are familiar with this one. A memory card, it is a secondary storage device, and it's too lightweight. Okay, you can carry it easily. Okay, it is too lighter than what a USB pen drive. Okay, and we use what a memory cards for mobile or for what a camera to store what a snaps or store what a vids. Okay, and if you want to read what data or to write a data in a memory card, like you want to store what a images or songs or videos in memory card. Okay, maybe it is of what a your mobile phone or of your camera. Then using card reader you can, or using memory card reader you can read or write a data. A memory card reader, it is similar to what a pen drive, but this device will allow you to connect what a memory card to your PC or laptop. Okay, now this after next secondary storage, that is external hard disk drive. We all are familiar with this one. It is type of what a hard disk. Okay, but it is external hard disk. It is how it is different than what a internal hard disk. Internal hard disk connected internally to motherboard, but if you want to connect externally to carry data or store more data or to take a backup, then we use the water external hard disk. It has water USB cable, and by connecting this USB cable you can transfer data from your PC to hard disk or hard disk to PC. Okay, and nowadays the external hard disks are used to take a backup or to store water large sized applications. Okay, or to store large sized files. This is about water external hard disk drive. Then this after next one, cloud storage. Nowadays instead of water pen drive, CDs and other, users are using, or mostly users are giving preference to water cloud storage. This is another secondary storage, and this is not available in form of water hardware. Actually it's a service that is over, it is available over internet, and by using what that service you can store data. It will allow you to centralize what the information or data, and will allow you to access from any corner of the world or from anywhere. You can access what data that is stored in a cloud storage. Now different cloud storage services are there over internet. Using those services you can store water data, and from anywhere you can access, from your mobile, from your friend's mobile, from your friend's computer, or from anyone's laptop, or from anyone's mobile or personal computer you can access. Okay, if there is a internet connectivity, then only you can access, and you can protect what your data using what a password and username. That means cloud storage will not allow anybody to access data easily. It will allow only to the user who has username and password of that space. Okay, that means it is a space that is allocated by internet to you people. After cloud storage, our next point is a power bank. A power bank, it is not used to store any information or data. Even if it is looking like hard disk, then also it is not used to store data or information. Generally it is used to store electricity or to store power, so it is called a power bank. You can use this power bank to charge your cell phone, or charge your tab. Okay, and where it is required, if there is no any electricity source, then you can use. Okay, if there is no any electricity source, then you can use what a power bank to charge your tab or what a mobile. Okay, it has an inbuilt battery. You can charge it whenever it is required. Okay, and it can be used again and again to charge your cell phones. Okay, and this after next one is activity which you have to complete. Here is one smarter, there is one hierarchy. You have to complete what this hierarchy or web chart by feeding what the memory and its types. Okay, so you can refer what the previous page, okay, or previous pages to, or you can refer what the computer textbook to complete this given activity. Okay, so here over this lesson, and shortly we'll get exercise, and you have to complete what a below lesson exercise in your computer notebook. Okay, you can see first question, it is on fill in the blanks, and hint boxes there. From hint box you have to pick the correct one, and next one, that is you have to write what a full form of given initials or short forms. Okay, so here over this lesson, then next one, answer in short. you have to complete in your computer notebook, and take the correct answer. That means multiple choice question, you have to pick the correct one, you have to tick the correct one amongst three options, then state whether a given sentence or statement is true or false, then answer the following questions. That means you have to write in 2 to 3 lines. This after next one, application based questions are there that you have to solve, and lab activity we'll see when school will start. That means I'll cover a lab activity when school will reopen. Okay, now here over this lesson